Hello everyone, my name is Ozella and welcome to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of the Tyndale Inspire Praise Coloring and Creative Journaling Bible. This is my first creative Bible and I'm super excited to start using it. I've always seen them in places like Lifeway, but I've shied away from trying it because I am the farthest thing from an artist. I can barely write straight on any given day. But I saw Confident Canvas and Planning a Better Me on Instagram one day, and they were using stickers in their Bible, and I was like, wait, stickers that's my thing. So I can definitely do that in a Bible. I found this Bible on Amazon. It was listed for $40 and it also had a $2 off coupon. One of the main reasons why I chose this one was because it has the New Living Translation on the inside of it, and that's one of my favorite translations to use when I'm studying the Bible. And of course also because it has the pretty purple floral pattern around the entire Bible, which is super pretty. This Bible is so beautiful inside and out. And if you like to go ahead and see someone who's already started using this Bible, follow Fran Plans here on YouTube. And she has a review on her channel of how she's using this exact same Bible. Now when it comes to the coloring pages in this Bible, I do see myself using these more in my quiet time with God. I think this would be a great way to kind of slow down my mind and not really focus on what I want to say to God, but really listen to what He has to say to me. If you need any inspiration of how to start when it comes to Bible journaling, I highly recommend Because Jesus Bible Journaling YouTube channel. I've been watching her videos and she makes Bible journaling look super easy. And let's go ahead and bind the thoughts of comparison and negativity when watching other journalers like Monica decorate her Bible. And we're going to loose the truth and open the door for God to use this creative medium to speak to us in His own way to our hearts. We are using our Bibles as a creative way to spend time with God and to meditate, and then we go and share them with others just to inspire them so they too can join in on the fun with us. This kit from Scribbles On My Heart is one of the ones I will be using to decorate in my Bible. She has so many beautiful pages in her Etsy shop that I already know I'm going to end up buying most of them. The Halloween and donut inspired kits are from the shop Beautiful Good News. I've downloaded several of her pages too, and I am practically obsessed with everything she has. And this pretty fall-inspired dolls kit is from Print, Pray, Slay. She has a lot of other cute pages like this in her shop, so make sure to check her out too on Etsy. Now, in addition to using the clear sticker paper from Avery, I'm also using the watercolor palette from artist Loft that I found in Michael's. Now I'm sure you can find these watercolor palettes anywhere like Dollar Tree or even Walmart. I'm also using their watercolor brushes, and I'm thinking it does matter what type of brush you use when doing these because the tips of these brushes are a bit different than just your standard paintbrush. I'm also using Fineliner pens from Arteza. I found these for $20 on their website. I've been using them already in my planner, and I really like the way that they write. There are so many different colors. This kit comes with 72 pens, and I figured they would be pretty cool when it comes to coloring the pages in this Bible. I want to take them out of the case at some point, but I really hadn't figured out a creative way to store them and still be able to look at the colors the way they are now. So if you can think of something, let me know. Comment down below. And one of the most random things I had to find, because I saw so many other people using it, was a hair blow dryer. This is random to me because I have dreadlocks, so I hadn't used a blow dryer like this in years. Wasn't even thinking about a blow dryer like this, but I saw how other women were using it in their Bible journaling, and it made sense. This is going to be helpful when it comes to quickly drying your pages when you're doing your watercoloring, so you won't have a big mess all over the place. Thank you so much for watching this video of the unboxing of my new creative journaling Bible. I'm really looking forward to using this, and I'm going to be brave and share some of my Bible pages on my YouTube page, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and always playing with a purpose.